Hello, guys. Welcome back to Talkverse. And the football season is coming to an climatic end. हम लोग सब लोग रुके हैं for a crazy UCL final. But before that, some of the chaos has already begun. So one of the most proven chaos is Chelsea Football Club, who started the season genuinely very well, and then everything went downhill. And finally, the only sign of glory for someone like me, who is a Chelsea fan, is Xabi Alonso is here. We go for Chelsea.
Wow, what an amazing news. If I would have been a Chelsea fan, I would have been more than happy because yeah, everyone wants a manager like Xavi, Pep, या फिर एंसेलोटी ये जो होता है ना जिन्होंने कुछ प्रूव करके रखा है Xavi did a lot in Bundesliga तो आई एम होपिंग उसका जो पोजिशनल प्ले वाला फुटबॉल है वो चेल्सी में भी परफॉर्म करेगा ही करेगा.
Absolutely, and an unbeatable season in Bundesliga is usually an easy thing if you are pulling it off with a Bayern Munich, but it was done by a Bayern Leverkusen, and that was insane. So Xavi Alonso, I think great. Finally, someone who has a good stature, who has a proper style, which is a beautiful footballing style again, and also someone who is one of the proven managers out there. So Chelsea is not experimenting again. So I am very happy about that, and I hope Xavi brings some beautiful football.
I would actually love it if Chelsea face Real Madrid in UCL. Is Chelsea playing UCL this season?
No, they are not.
No, they're not. Okay. I would have been more than happy if Chelsea would have knocked Madrid out of Champions League because the kind of drama Madrid ने face किया था Xavi के साथ because of Kylian Mbappe, Vinicius and all. So I mean, as a football fan, मुझे बहुत खुशी होती, but let's see Chelsea next season.
Next season, maybe.
Yes, next
season. Again, we don't know. One of my biggest problems with this whole thing is, will they give Xabi Alonso enough time? And I think they should.
They should.
Chelsea has a great prospect of young players, and some of that has become already a proven talent. They have been doing really well. Players like Caicedo, Fernandes, even Palmer for certain level, João Pedro has been doing really well. If Xabi Alonso can build on it and if they give him good time and actually enough resources to bring in the players that he wants, मजा आएगा भाई, मजा आएगा.
Chelsea also has a good history of firing managers.
That is the whole problem. I don't want to see Xabi Alonso fired by. I was very happy with Tuchel. I didn't want anyone else. They screwed it up. Finally, please do something right. On the flip side, the bigger side of chaos is Real Madrid. And Real Madrid is getting our old daddy and their also old daddy back. It's Jose Mourinho again. We don't know yet. There has been verbal agreements. It's again anything can happen. But do you think someone like Jose Mourinho works at Madrid?
I think looking at the Kardashians present in my team, I somewhere feel कि उन्हें Mourinho ही handle कर सकता. And उनके ड्रामे वगैरह and बहुत सारे न्यूज़ ऐसे भी बाहर आ रहे हैं कि Vinicius, he already called Vinicius and he was telling him कि you are my main player. फिर एम्बाप्पे से कुछ बातें चल रही, which is nice, but कहीं ना कहीं आई फील यार प्लेयर पावर बहुत है मैड्रिड में. सो आई डाउट अगर उनकी जमी होसे के साथ वेल एंड गुड, वरना आई होप ज़ावी वाला सीन ना हो. बस दैट्स व्हाट आई एम प्रेइंग फॉर.
That is fair. So मुझे भी दो चीजें लगती है. One thing, as a player manager or as a people manager, no one better than Jose Mourinho to handle this chaos. Because उसके सामने I have seen worst of the worst players act in the most straightest way possible. He has handled the egos of Ronaldo,
Zlatan,
Ibrahimovic, yes, Balotelli. So he has handled some of the greatest out there in the game. So if he can do that, he can potentially manage anyone, and he can straighten these people. That is for a fact true.
There should be a problem for him.
That is true. 100%. इन बच्चों को तो वो सुधार ही देगा. My problem is उसका play style. He is still a little old school, and it has proven not very effective in the modern football.
अप्रोच यार, मतलब फिर वो डिफेंसिवली बैठे रहोगे, काउंटर्स पे हिट करोगे. आई मीन आई डोंट लाइक दैट काइंड ऑफ फुटबॉल, बट अब क्या करें मैड्रिड के.
बट देन अगेन जब वो मैड्रिड आया था, he designed the world's fastest counter attack, and as of now, does he have the weapon to do it?
Yes, he has.
Will it happen or not? We don't know. Only time will tell. But I think Jose Mourinho to Madrid is a great
Also, one more funny thing which I read today was Jose Mourinho's team has never lost a match this season. Okay, but वो लोग third आए. वो लोग यूसीएल के लिए भी क्वालिफाई नहीं किया है, ना ही लीग ट्रॉफी। सो अब लोग बोल रहे हैं कि तुम एग्जाम के लिए प्रिपेयर तो कर रहे हो बट पास नहीं हो रहे, देन व्हाट्स द पॉइंट? एंड आई होप कि मैड्रिड आके ये सेम चीजें रिपीट ना हो, बिकॉज डूड आई एम जस्ट फेड अप। मैनेजर्स बदलते जा रहे हैं, हमारे प्रिंसेस को कभी कुछ बुरा लग जाता, तो ये कब बदलेगा गॉड नोस, टिल द टाइम बीइंग 4 summers।
Yes, but very X factor. But being very honest, अगर मेरे पास वो power रहता that I could give or I could hire a manager to Madrid, would I choose Jose Mourinho? 100% yes. Just for the fun of it, just for the chaos that I'll get for that one whole season, just for the Madrid not winning in matches but winning in the interviews, I will do it, and I am in for that whole experiment.
So that's it today from our side. Thank you for making
Thank you,
us a
guys.
good feeling.